Hello everyone, this is Ryan Napolitano with the Lexer Lab Group, and I'm here with another quick tip. So today we have a full arch zirconia case, and one of the interesting things with this case is that you can see that our anterior implant here is bodily just about in line with our incisal edge from a restorative position. And using straight and traditional componentry, this really would be putting us at a disadvantage because we would end up in fact with a screw access hole coming out of the facial of the restoration, which aesthetically is really not what we desire for the patients for a long-term clinical success. So how do we get this to where you currently see it, where it's lingualized in a proper position and easy to deal with? So one way is to use some different componentry when we're working at the fixture and abutment level. The other option is to do that here in the laboratory, and we're using a different screw for that. So today we have what I find is to be a very unique product. This is a ball head screw that we're using that's unique to the Lexer Lab Group, and the reason that we really like this product is that the ball head on here provides a very positive seat onto the driver, and as you can see gives us some great angle correction when we're trying to work with some of these more challenging cases in aesthetic situations. So in practical application, when you receive this case back, you'll have your restoration, you'll have your screw mounted in the plastic enclosed driver, and that'll come in its own little vial just like that. You will also receive a latch style tip for torquing this restoration in, and then when we go to insert the case, we're going to seat it as we normally do. Now on this restoration we have 4 implants. The 3 remaining implants are in a good position already, so we've used our traditional unigrip screws, and so we can go ahead and screw those down. Now with the ball head screw, you can go ahead and use the plastic driver to insert that screw. You're going to insert it just like any other screw, and then once it does seat with a fair amount of finger tension, it will just twist off. Now that's going to leave the screw in there at finger pressure and let the driver be removed. And then the only thing that you need to do at the end of it, and this is just a lab holder that's right here, you'd normally have this on your torque driver, you can just go ahead and insert that driver tip onto the restoration, and you're then just going to torque that in. Now the torque settings on these multi-unit screws are all 10 Newton centimeters. If we were using this screw in an abutment level case for a single unit restoration, then the torque value would be the same as any other normal manufacturer screw that you would use for that, typically 20 to 30 Newton centimeters, varying on the system. Thanks so much for your time today. As always, if you have any questions on anything in these videos or on case design in general, you can feel free to reach out to us at the laboratory here at Precision Craft. The number is 1-800-828-2418. My name is Ryan Napolitano. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy your day.